Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. I am making a taco meatloaf. I use the Old El Paso taco seasoning with some ground chuck and one egg. Now I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. You don't want that much because I'm about to add some Taco Bell mild sauce. Now, Rob, he can't have particular things right now, but he can have this, so he is doing an insulin resistant reset diet. So, this is part of it. And this is just gonna go in the oven. Look, don't get crushed out. Now, we have all done this. I would have put the Taco Bell Chipotle sauce on this, but he can't have that. I can put it on mine after it comes out of the oven, and I plate mine up. Do I know what I'm having with this yet? Probably gonna make some rice. We'll go with it. Right? Rice. Now, I know not everybody has an IGA market. We do in like 2 townships over. Really isn't too far from us. We have a township inside of a township, which is weird. Anyway, and then we have an IGA in another township. That's what it's called here in New Jersey, township. So yeah, I put a little bit of broth stock in there for that purpose. And you know what though? I stopped covering a lot of my foods with foil. I have a theory on that though. That's for a whole other video. But for now, I will cover this because I know it needs to actually get the steam from the broth to help cook the meat. And then it just goes in the oven on 425 until it's cooked. I'm going to say with this, it's probably gonna take about 35-45 minutes. See you then. Okay, so I just took it out. It's been like 38 minutes. So I'm gonna put it back in, let it finish, and then I'm gonna make some rice and a vegetable. I'll be back. Okay, so there's rice, obviously corn, 1 can of diced tomatoes. I thought I got the one with green chili. Oh, I did. But I'm looking for the green chilies. Oh, I think I spot one. Anyway, and then I put some of that beef stock in there and some hot honey. I gotta wrap the onion in a minute. Use it for tomorrow. Anyway, it's in my hot pot, so I'm going to let that cook in there. Okay, well the meatloaf is done. Smells great in here. Like, look, I know we live in a haunted house, but this got shut off by something, and it takes a lot to do that. Like, you really have to turn it. That's what we get for living in a haunted house, right? Okay, Chuck shrank. This was Chuck, ground Chuck. So Chuck shrank, and since Rob has an appointment somewhere, I gotta get him his plate, and we'll get a top from him. But that is what it looks, this is what it looks like plated. Rob can now give his review.
It's good.
So I just have to make it so Rob can have the certain proteins for resetting. In fact, I tease and call it factory resetting for insulin resistance. Okay, so this is done. That's why it's not over on the other side yet. Steve's plate. And this is my plate. Mine has mozzarella and, as you can see, chipotle. Taco Bell chipotle. I'm aware I look like crap. Look, y'all. It's Tuesday. Now there's a cheese pull going on with Steve's plate. Should you put that on that rice while it's still nice and hot?
I did. That's why it's like this.
Yeah. Get cheese pull off of that. That's good. isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta try the meatloaf. Mm-hmm. What do you think that meatloaf, Steve?
Good.
We already got Rob's review on it. If you have somebody in your house that's insulin resistant, try to make their stuff without the carbs. Try to make sure you have not only the stuff in the house for you, but what you can alter for them, because that helps. Super good. I'm gonna mix the meat with my rice. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.